Hey gals, folks, this is Tink. This is the repair I'm working on. As you can see, I went inside to cut open the eye socket with my X-Acto knife, and in there, it's very hard to get in there and cut these eye sockets open. You can go from the front. But these little eye sockets are tiny, and for some reason it's very hard to get in there and get the eyes in on this sculpt. So this is the area where I came through from the inside and cut a little piece here and there, and it didn't fall off, which is a good thing. So what I did was I took E6000 glue and I smeared it on with a little stick, and I'm letting it dry for at least 72 hours. I'm trying to get another Tink head, just the head, because I have the body, the tummy plate, and the limbs here on this one. I have another Tink on eBay right now. Go to Beaks, BEAKSBAMBOO, and look me up, and you'll see the other Tink is on auction. Both of these Tinks are first edition kits. I'm going to keep this one for myself. If I do get another head, then I will build the baby and use this head for something else. If you want this baby built for you, I'll give you her at a really great discount. This is Tink. A lot of work to get those eyes in on this particular sculpt. So I'm going to go. I'm going to edit this, and here's the close-up so you can see.